Hi there, good evening. So it's a long time since I've done one of these videos to be honest. So it's promoting or reviewing Udimi traffic. So that's where you rent someone's email list. They will send an email for you to their list. And if you have an opt-in page, which you really should have, that person that clicks gets added to your email list, and if they purchase, you can make money. So it's kind of hard marketing on Facebook or Instagram. It doesn't cost any money to do so, but if you don't have the skill sets or the audience, then it can come a wee bit difficult. So this is a good method. It is costing you money, but you can purchase so many clicks and you can start to build your email list rather, and make some money. So here is Udemy, and you can really search for the number of visitors. Maybe you want 100 clicks, or maybe you want 1,000. It's best to test it with, say, 300, and it's coming up with sellers. But you can also search with ratings. So you want someone with a lot of ratings. That's just a lot of good reviews. So perhaps you would choose 200 plus. And then you've got a button here, got sales. That is the amount of people that have reported sales. So over the percentage of people that have bought from sellers have reported getting sales. So if you chose 50%, so that's half the people that have bought from these sellers have made sales. Look, he's sales 60%. And then you can pay anywhere from 40 cents a click all the way up to $2. So maybe you want to choose $1. And then it's got some of the same people. Repeat orders, that means that someone who's not just bought one solo ad, as they call it, has came back for more. So maybe you would do 25% there, and this is the last time they were seen, which can be any time or online just now. So there's no one online just now. And niches, perhaps like me, it's affiliate marketing, so you could choose that. But it might be crypto, it might be whatever. You can choose the top tier countries, which is the UK, USA, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and I think Singapore as well. But maybe you have a product that is just the Indian market, you can choose that. I like to choose United States. So you can search that way, and also by keywords. You might just go solo ads vendors that focus only on affiliate marketing, which these guys do, or it may be the health niche. So some of them don't do health niches, some of the vendors, but these people do. So it depends. And then there's Gabe, who's quite a popular solo ads vendor. And you can add these favorites to lists. There's one guy I've sort of looked at, and then there is David. This is the ones that I've saved. So we can go into that later and look at these vendors. And then there is solo deals as well. It's basically at a discounted price. And then there's a forum where you can ask questions. So how do we get the best look at the data, the best vendors? So we go to this guy here, Igor Varsiek. You could add him as a friend, but it's not really like Facebook where you're looking to speak to them and that sort of thing. But you could do that if you want to. he's been doing it for 10 years at least on this platform, and he was on 34 minutes ago, so he obviously gets a lot of orders, so that is someone you could definitely look at. And this is the ratings, so it's 4.9. If we click on that, here's some of the reviews here. 5-star. Look, he's got sales, and these are quite recent. You'd look to see when these people had sales. It's within this month. We're on the 21st of April as we do this video. Just really read what they've wrote. Great run, we'll be back for more. Solid, I got 60.1%, so what they're kind of talking about, the amount of clicks and the amount of people that opted in. So that's a landing page which you should have, and it's added to your email list. So out of all the clicks, 60%. So that is really high. Open rate that stands for, and don't know what's happened there. So go back into that. The ratings. That guy was saying, and 6 front end low ticket sales. So he may have a main product, and then within the main product income streams, he got 6 sales from that. So he got sales. He got sales as well, but he's not made a comment about it. Quality traffic, no sales on this run, but traffic is responsive. So it's a kind of mixed bag with the sales. If you got sales, it would go down. He did get sales, and then has got the clicks, and it was a lower rate, but he really recommends as traffic, so you can decide if he is good. What I would tend to do is send them a message and say, is there a discount on the first offer, and then they'll let you know. So this is the actual sales, so it's quite a lot actually. 84% of people that ordered them got sales. There is about 16% that didn't, but you weigh the pros and the cons. This is quite a figure to look at. Or out of 1,639, or even just the orders that haven't rated them, nearly 30% have reordered again. So I would look at that. A lot of them gave 5, but then there was no one that gave him 1. I think only one person 2, 3. So that for the most part, they got good ratings with him. So these are the sort of the things to look at, to be honest. So we could go into someone else. We could even change it up as well. We could put 50% is the most. We could maybe put 500 ratings, and we could maybe do repeat orders 30%, which isn't anyone. Do 25%. Just pick someone at random. So it's actually not a lot with that sort of rating. So, but then you're getting 500 plus. So a lot of people like them. So out of that amount of ratings, then there only is 4. So you can narrow it down and get the best of the best. Angelo Sason, he's got 5. He's got top ratings. He's got sales 83% and 28% repeat buyers. I forgot to mention as well, his minimum's 200, or you could have 500, and it gives you the price. And then you can put your link, whatever link, only link, or you can add text, and that's one that I wrote. Or they can actually write it for you, and you can have only top tier traffic or only mobile and things like that as well. So I'll go into him again and see what they're saying about him. So he was top 2 for March 2025 for sales. Like, he sold 7 recently. He's got Hall of Fame awards. Over 1.2 million in sales. ClickBank, people that promote on that have made a lot of money. So he's got quite a lot of good reviews on his page. So sales generated for Udimi clients, and he's got some details about him, and some questions that people ask as well. So he's quite a well-known seller. And then we've got someone got sales just last week. No, he didn't get any sales, but pleasure working you again, mate. Many sales. That was recently. He's got really recent sales, quite a lot. So I probably would really consider this guy. So hopefully appreciate it. Promoting him almost, so it seems really good. And you can just go through them and see what you think. And then here's the solo deals. He's online just now, so this is, you're getting at a discount price. You might only want 100 clicks, and you're getting it for next to nothing. So see if he's any good. In the top 6 in November last year, and he sold 7 solos recently, and a wee bit about him as well. But the drawback in this one, the last testimonials were sort of February, and they're not. And you've got some sales in August, but nothing really recent. So it's maybe not someone I would consider, but it is deals probably to get them some orders and things. But you could use this page as well once I go through them. So that's how you would get the best sellers on Udimi. Please take a look at it, create an account and see what you think. But if you've not got a business, then we have an amazing boot camp teaching you from A to Z how to do it, an amazing community as well. You can upgrade and be a partner with us, but it is a free service. So like this video, subscribe and click the links for Udimi and their own business, and we'd love to see you there. Bye bye for now.